Okay, so quick update on my Keychron K2 V2 keyboard. The last time I talked about this, I told you that there's an issue with the Bluetooth, like it keeps disconnecting once in a while. It's fixed now, surprisingly. Like I didn't do anything, I didn't send it off to be repaired, it just fixed itself on its own. Like I was using it in wired mode and waiting for the support team to get back to me, and after using it for a month or two continuously on wired mode, I decided to switch to wireless mode recently and it starts working again. It fixed itself about a month ago, but I didn't make a video because things don't automatically fix themselves, right? I wanted to see if the problem will come back, and so far it hasn't. I mean, I love this keyboard in every other aspect, but I was kind of disappointed that the motherboard of this unit had some issues. I wasn't expecting that for this price. But now it's back to normal again. I can connect to multiple devices, I can use it on wireless mode, and when the battery goes low, I can switch it to cable mode like that and use it with a Type-C cable. Now, I suppose you could say it's problem solved, right? I mean, it's working now, I can switch it on and use it, but as I said, things don't automatically fix themselves, so I'm not sure if this problem is actually gone or if it will resurface later on. Like think about it, if you have something like a car, for example, and the car is not starting up at all, so you call a mechanic, and when that guy tries, it automatically starts. So mechanic says it's fine now, but they don't know what you experienced, right? You tried everything, but it wouldn't start. And after that, you kind of don't trust the car anymore, and you kind of have to like get it checked to make sure that you have, everything working. So that's kind of the same situation here. Of course, it's not as critical as your vehicle, but still it's the only main keyboard that I have as of now that works so well. I don't think I can go back to my backup membrane keyboards. I really don't want to use those after using something as nice as these Keychron yellows. But somehow it's working. I mean, even if it doesn't, I can always use it in wired mode, so that's cool. If you were thinking of buying this, just be aware that there have been a few minor issues like this with a few people. Of course, I'm in the minority here. Not a lot of people have faced this issue, but just know that this wireless version has that connectivity problem in some units. Oh, and one more thing you should know is that when I reached out to support a few months ago, they said that they don't have any units of this motherboard, of this keyboard, so they couldn't replace it on time. That's why I was using it in wired mode, as I said. They could have replaced it if they had units, but there were no replacement units to repair this board. So that's another thing you should know if you're buying this keyboard. Replacement spare parts are not widely available yet, at least in India. It's a fantastic keyboard though, I love it as I said, but yeah, just be aware of what you're getting. I'll link this in the description if you're interested in buying it. You can buy from their official website now. They are available in many countries, including India. Based on my experience, Amazon sellers kind of overpriced this thing. It's not that expensive, so you might find a better deal on the official website itself. Okay, that's been it for now. If there is any other update, I'll let you know in the community post. If you're interested in talking more about keyboards and stuff, we have a Discord, so you can join there if you want, and I will be doing some giveaways exclusive for Discord as well. Just so you know, that's the place to be.